Global O-Ring and Seal is a distributor of O-rings and other sealing products. We also supply other sealing solutions such as shaft repair sleeves and oil seals. The biggest challenge for Global O-Ring and Seal right now is just inventory management itself. There's a lot of different suppliers in the market.
A few years ago, when we were looking at moving into a new facility, we really wanted to have the best, most efficient picking operation that we could. We put a lot of thought into VLMs and how they would be used. It was actually a really important part of us choosing a facility.
In this market space, we compete by delivering better customer service. Benefits of investing in the Modula system have been our ability to deliver the right product quickly. I also love the fact that we've got the Modula connected to our ERP system, so there's this seamless transfer of an order from a customer to the operations team, and that can make all the difference in the world for our customers.
Since we moved into our new facility, the way that we store our inventory has basically completely changed. We're able to locate and we know exactly how many of each item are on each shelf and in each compartment that we have.
With the implementation of the VLMs, our inventory accuracy has skyrocketed. The data is exceptionally important for us on a day-to-day basis. Without it, we wouldn't be able to tell our customers what we have. We wouldn't be able to send everything in an appropriate measure. Using the VLMs has made our jobs a lot easier.
The implementation of our VLMs reduced our operational footprint by about 90%. We were able to store 5,000 SKUs in our old warehouse, and now we're able to double that, and we've got almost 10,000 SKUs in the 3 VLMs alone.
In our business model, 90% of our orders that we receive, the customer is expecting us to ship it that same day. If I can move the time from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock or even later, that helps us meet our customers' demands.
For new employees, it's much easier to train them on the new procedures that we have. With the product coming straight to them and the quality aspects of the machine, it makes the job much easier on them. In the future, we could see ourselves expanding and adding 2 or possibly 3 more, given the floor space of our current warehouse. It's probably the best system that I've seen to combine the data with the actual operational effects from day to day.
I would recommend highly the use of the Modula VLM machine because its organizational properties are just second to none.
When we were looking at making this investment, we figured out our costs of the machines and also what some of the efficiencies were going to be that we were going to gain by having this type of equipment. The return has been positive, and we're very pleased that we made the decision.